Hello everyone. Emissions and pollution are often confused, but they are not the same. Emissions are what we release into the atmosphere, while pollution is the harmful impact those emissions and other contaminants create. Understanding this distinction is critical for climate action because reducing emissions directly lowers pollution and its devastating effect on health, ecosystems, and economies. Many people use the words emission and pollution interchangeably. But here's the truth. They are connected, yet very different. And understanding this difference is key if we want to tackle climate change effectively. So what's the core difference? Emissions are the substances released into the atmosphere, mainly greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and also particulates from burning fossil fuels. Whereas pollution are the harmful contaminations of air, water, or soil that impacts health and ecosystems. This includes smog, PM 2.5 particles, plastics, heavy metals, and toxic chemicals. Think of emissions as the cause and pollution as the effect. Not all emissions are pollutants, for example, water vapor, but many emissions become pollutants when they degrade air quality or trap heat. Now, why this matter now? From the health impact perspective, air pollution causes 4.5 million premature deaths annually worldwide, as per the World Health Organization estimates. From the climate impact perspective, trillions of tons of climate pollutants already blanket the earth, driving extreme heat, floods, and fires. For example, the 2023 Canadian wildfire released massive emissions, worsening air quality across North America, showing how emissions and pollution amplify each other. What to do? Collectively, responsibility of individuals, corporates, and policymakers will make the difference. From the individual perspective, we can reduce car use, we can adopt plant-based diets, and we can conserve energy. From the corporates, they can shift to renewables, cut emissions from the supply chain, and invest in clean technology. For the policymakers, they can enforce stricter air quality standards, carbon pricing, and international cooperation. Integrated action is a win-win, cutting emissions and reducing pollution, improving both climate stability and public health. What are the current steps and effectiveness being taken? For example, in China, sustained measures are being taken, which has helped in reducing PM 2.5 levels significantly. In EU and the US, carbon markets and stricter vehicle standards are helping, but global emissions are still rising. In India, National Clean Air Program aims to cut particulate pollution by 40% by 2026, but enforcement remains still a very big challenge. What are the risks if we don't act now? It will intensify heat waves, droughts, and floods, rising health costs and productivity losses, ecosystem collapse, threatening food security. And yes, the planet will survive, but human civilization may not. The Earth has endured ice ages and meteor strikes, but our societies, economies, and way of life are far from fragile. To those who say climate change is a hoax, you're right that the planet will survive, but the real question is, will we? The atmosphere doesn't negotiate. If we keep pumping emissions, we are not just polluting the planet, we are polluting our future. So emissions versus pollution, they are not the same, but they are inseparable. Cutting emission means cutting pollution. And that's the path to a healthier planet, healthier people, and a future worth living. Time to act is not tomorrow, it's today. Thank you.